Hi, I'm Ashley Ching, founder of Inhaven, and I'm excited to be a part of the VRMA Foundations Frontline Excellence Training this April in Savannah. I've been deeply involved in supporting vacation rental operations, and I'm thrilled to be contributing to this new event that's all about empowering the teams that make the great guest experience possible. Operational teams are the heartbeat of the vacation rental industry, and I wanted to be a part of this event because too often these critical roles do not get recognition or the training they deserve. VRMA Foundations is changing that, and I'm here for it. I'll be leading a session on linen essentials, where we'll talk about how to build a well-managed linen program, from selecting the right materials to managing inventory, laundry, and costs. Attendees will walk away with practical strategies to streamline operations and elevate the guest experience. Linens are one of those things that can seem simple, but either create consistency or chaos in your operations. A solid linen program can dramatically improve efficiency, reduce headaches, and increase guest satisfaction. This session is all about giving teams the tools to get it right. What makes VRMA Foundation so special is that it's built for operational teams, not just managers or executives. It's hands-on, collaborative, and focused on real challenges faced on the ground. That kind of targeted training is rare and so needed in our industry. If you're in the trenches of operations, whether housekeeping, maintenance, or reservations, this event is for you. You will leave with new skills, real strategies, and the confidence to take your team and your properties to the next level. I cannot wait to see you in Savannah.